everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty rainy here in BC, but we'll see how the week goes on. Alright, so I have an unboxing today from Louis, and it came in a very small box. Alright, so let's see what the surprise may be. Got my blade. Oh, and I'm still rocking my Disney Dooney 60th anniversary Sleeping Beauty satchel. Now this is also called a satchel, but it is not similar to my other Disney satchels that I have. This is more like a Boston bag, or it's equivalent to the size of a Speedy. About a Speedy 30. So they call things different. So that is not a satchel to me, but that's on the description, I guess. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox it and see what Maya sent me here. Alright. Okay. Louis Vuitton. Alright. This is kind of a weird box. Alright. Well, that's what the box looks like. Alright. So we got the receipt. They're back to these. Alright, she sent me an empty box, some stickers. I guess this is for the lunar, I believe. Some stickers. Okay, those are pretty cool. And some ribbon. Alright, so that's that. And she sent me this little box. I don't know what that may be. And she sent me a couple. Look at the shopping.
Oh yeah.
That's why the box was so little. Alright, she sent me 2 of the smallest shopping bags you can possibly get at Louis. Alright, well that's alright. Okay. Alright. Alright, let's go ahead and open this one first. Never seen these before. Alright, she sent 2 samples. Yeah, maybe she didn't have the other ones. I'm not sure, but I'll ask her. Okay, so that's what came in this little box here. These are two. She put them in a box here.
Oh yeah.
All right. And then let's see what's in this one. Okay, there's the ribbon. Alright, and the dust bag. Okay. And my key holder. This is in epi leather, black, silver hardware. Let's see here. I think it says made in Spain, but made in France, I believe. It's 6 ring. Okay. And then you can put your card or whatever underneath there. And here's all the stickers if you're interested. So I'll have my own keys, because what's happening is the car, say something happens, I don't have any keys, because our truck, it's just push button, and in order for it to go, you have to have a fob, and I don't have a fob, so I can carry this in my purse with the fob and the extra keys, because I don't have any keys. Because if something happens, we had this happen a couple times, where it will either lock you out of the truck, or you can't start it, you can't go nowhere, or you put it in drive and then you put it in reverse and it locks up for security or whatever. So anyways, so that's the reasoning for that. So here's the item number. And this one is the SKU. I guess they have a new, they have like a new scanner code now. So if you're looking for something, you just scan the little code and then you can order it right off the website. But my essay had to order it, so it did take a while because they're not always in stock. These are hard to find items. Why? I have no idea, but I think they're trying to limit what they have, similar to Hermes, where you have to be invited to get a purse for $10,000 or $20,000. So yeah, it's really super hard to get items. And I think that's what's basically going on. Alright, so that is my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe, if I can say that. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm doing a great giveaway. So you want to definitely ring the bell to be notified every time I upload videos. Alright, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye now.